Super noisy. And this is nothing. They were a lot more noisy. Again, the same people. This time, yes, I'm filming. Oh my God, those people were so loud. They were screaming, but I don't understand. Why don't they close their window? It is fucking 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Get your window closed. Seriously, close your... Yes, close it. Finally, yes, whoa. Okay. What? Shut up, you guys. Shut up. How can it be that people just in the middle of the night and people just find it normal to make so much noise? Go inside. Dude, just shut up and go inside. I want to sleep. Really? It's in the middle of the night. You can also talk inside of your home. Cala a boca. Zo hoor je het zo beter. Begrijp je dan de hint? Eu dormir. Eu quero dormir. Mensen moeten het al. Bye. Bye. Cala a boca. Bye. Eu telefono a polícia. Next time. Domme. You can also talk inside your house. Yeah, laugh, but next time I will call the police. You can laugh all you want, bitch, but I will call the police. You make more noise. How sad. Grow up. Act like an adult. Listen, I'm going to call the police. I'm done. Police is coming. I'm going to call the police. If you cannot even be quiet, then it's fine. Oh, those are the people. Got you. Stupid bitch. What is wrong with these people? What is wrong with these people? Oh my god. Seriously, what? So that's the problem. Get the fuck out of here. Fucking 2 o'clock. the hell out of here. I need to call the police. I just cannot sleep every night. Every night this is going on. Ridiculous. Every night. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. Finally it's quiet. Still, you motherfuckers. Get the fuck out of here.